It is here. It's arrived. There it is. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we are going to open this nugget that is behind me for you so you can see what you can expect, and we're gonna let you know as well what we like, what we didn't like, and we're gonna walk you through all the process of getting a nugget like this. So let's get started. So I got an email and they told me that it will take a little bit of time to open up and get in the right shape. Right now it's a little bit wrinkled and it doesn't have the best shape, but I'm gonna be waiting for a few hours to see how it turns out. So as you can see, it comes with these two triangles and it has this one as well. It's the two parts, so these can be used like this, and this one can be used like this as well. And you can take it from here. You can also put it like this. You can just pull it right here and put it like this, and you can make it like a nice sofa right here, and you can just sit there. But for now, I'm gonna just lay it out.
Wow. That's amazing. Amazing.
You can choose the color that you want. In this case, I just liked this one, and I'm gonna just add that description here. And just be aware that this is a review from myself. They didn't pay or I'm not affiliated. I just wanted to make a review because I was very excited to get one of these for my kids to play with.
Thank you, Mom.
So finally, I just wanted to come here and tell you that this Nugget Comfort furniture for kids is very good. You can use it with the kids, play with. They can rest on it, they can play forts, they can jump on it, they can do a lot of things with it. And you can also use it for visitors if you have some and you want to have an extra couch there. It will be very comfortable actually. Use it as a couch, as a sofa, and it is very easy to wash, and it is really comfy and soft. It's really appropriate for the toddlers. It's really nice and my kids loved it. Thumbs up for the Nugget Comfort. That's it for this video. If you'd like to see more reviews about any other product, just let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, you find it useful, please don't forget to click on the like button down below and on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.